here for Arahusem BSc. Arahusem BSc Cape Coast Anomabo baby your friend eja number 2 unimpo here obe say ekwan bi wo ho Arahusem BSc was akwan so answer na better as subscribe na click the notification bell no and no any down screen so here we yan say latest news bi aba won sa ebeka Arahusem and me ne wo ka say driver bi wotwi Hyundai 4x4 a 4-wheel drive what the car abought in Kola na what the car no born Kola na Kola na 5 and that be ne can say 4 ewu ye I mean on spot and about or critical condition mu e was Salt Pond Hospital and that be ne can say Arahusem AC e was eja number 2 e was Anomabo Cape Coast Accra highway ni so no sa akwan de so na chese accident no esi na enkola no ade na omo apon free school wo mo ekofie into wo mo twa kwan ni mu na the driver ne so no he was speeding and about the bon enkola no ekun eye 4 and then baako wo eye critical condition mo that hospital na driver na ngasa de police for action currently I mean in the custody of Salt Pond Police. Salt Pond Police no driver no or mukukum police for achina for Arahusem no kra no asem no atone so obi beka say open tem akobe bi sisia no we konya asem sisia baby na wo pese wo kono wo nya nkobiom what ya say but residents wo mo te sa area no wo mo boafu wo mo sorry ye eco blocky road no wo mo de ebufu eco blocky road no embrace asem we esiye na obi beka say adan na residents no womo eco blocky road ne say womo say sa kwan ne so no drivers nam so womo speed too much na womo say this week in Kwana this is the second accident AC ewo ho na womo say another driver so at the ball in Crawford 7 week we am Monday we are another driver e was akwan ne so what the car no e ball Crawford 7 na wokumu Crawford 7 Inti where what the car abon pro 4 eku omokra no one kan dey ani so inti just within the week Monday and then we can say Wednesday no you better say in pro 11 nko and egu from 2 accident ni and say drivers at the speed and our mode o car abon in pro 4 eku omo ya Arahusem AC inti womo say sa area no womo eco blocky road no ka say ye ni mpanyifo akasa say kwan way drivers enam so womo go speed too much. Drivers nam so womo eco speed too much inti kwan we mo fa road ramp na say emma speed no esonte mo fa ramp mbeto kwan ne so man womo so omo akasa authorities abo mbetumi ayesa ade no womo nye na very typical of Ghana and there sabe 2 accidents AC just within a week and Crawford 11 ewu was no me gidi say authorities omo de breaker ebekwa koyesa ade no inti imrant no block road no and a street no and a police for police for ebe clear you say in Crawford and so in use so road imrant no block and traffic traffic here and the police for abaso wo mo ebe clear Arahusem and then me no kasa AC e was akwan so eja number 2 na another Arahusem bia and also AC no me pesa me de boss na say yekoyenim em say and then no ensem no do ba no etie for eni enye na we AC watercrad accident ya me boss sisia no and no dey AC e wo Cape Coast na Arahusem me sanso dey ba AC watercrad na no Mason bi Sabe ye can Mason na ye ni Mason Mason ya bonitio ekuno e watercrad bo bi be se under a very bizarre circumstance na the see ya no ene se ahomache we esi ahomache Mason no oyobi a we 38 years etie for Arahusem ni din e de erekiyebo a na the area for no popularly no mo friend coach na ahomache around 3 a.m. ena womo te se we bi asem we see ye no baby a friend Kwekuma suburb of secondary takrade ati ase kura was secondary takrade a friend Kwekuma na 3 a.m. ena asem we esi ye na the esi ye ne se baby a wote no abro ne besie neighborhood no ne yere ena walk and ne yere anta se friend Faustina emtwiwa ba branch ne fe ne Eric Yeboah na ne yere ena de asem no etu dwa se ahomache ena ono ne yere no esore ye na wone ne nikunu ena esore ye na wo mo sore ye no na bo mo pie firi wo mo dem ahomache be 3 ena wo mo pie firi wo mo dem na mo pie firi wo mo dem no mo hu se uncompleted building bi e wo mo area mu ho na eye uncompleted building na e wo mo area mu wo mo hu se as a nkrofo bi area nyama into a car na tese nkrofo bi abe park car esi wo a wo mo wia enyama efri eye sa uncompleted building ni mu na nkrofo ni hu ye wo so mo so mo epie o mo pie ye na nkrofo na o ma chi o mo pie fi wo mo fie no e na nkrofo ni hu ye se nkrofo bi ehu ye nti nkrofo ni hu ya na nkrofo ni sha se wo mo tututio nti wo mo tututio no e na wo no oba no a friend Faustina no wo se o tofum ona wa lie flat nti nkrofo ni tututio no se etio no aka ne kunu ama ne kunu na tofum a etio no kunu but ono nkrofo no ya sha se wo mo tututio na no tofum quickly e na wo dodge ye because of that form but em se ne kunu na ehu ne ntem e na etio no ebi kan ne kunu etie for Niknu was unlucky na ekun Niknu no instant eno ne sema ne yere no e de abatuja say ekun Niknu no instant na after the shooting incident no ena eye ne yere no bo bomu ebo dede o blow alarm e wo area no say go for back to me to amato mikunu to amato mikunu to ena ta say wo mo area no nya yes bo mo be pie no na wo mo asabi wo mo edi nyambra nsem we no wo makotena eye BMW car black bi mu a wo mo etu edwane ekọ etie for intino ngofo nti ase say in the first place in fact say edan bi eye uncompleted edan nkwa na nkrofo we eye ewo ho uncompleted building sebe uko wi ade efimu ana ase den na say uko wi ade ekana na nkofo nti ase because it was very bizarre say yehu ono na to say ono ni nikunu no Faustina ni nikunu na ye friend no coach no wo mo anka bibia o wo mo pie fi wo mo dem na nkrofo ni hu o mo na nkrofo na chance so mo shoot o mo like how who acts that way sabe kronfo kran na wo nye ne ho say ebi obe bisa nti na ya nkrofo ni mia wawa say this circumstance there it is very rare and na nkrofo no sabe wo mo ekoku mo bi e na wo mo di nipa ko no ebeto sa uncompleted building ni mu ana say den and mo ko di nyambra nsem bi a wo mo susu say wo bi hu yen ya wo mo be che yen ya na say den nkrofo nti ase because one kasa wo ti ase no like wo be di adance here say this case is very bizarre intenda me dey work say the body of the coach ana Eric Yeboah no ye dey no akoto Efian Kwanta Regional Hospital mortuary etie for police for the assembly because police for so almost assembly they were months here tender be work say they've actually launched a manhunt for the assailant not just one more about this and Bransem no police for a manhunt as one match as say one more ebe one more about this and Bransem way na ya chiomo as always the Biameka would disem no a yard also e wakana mesre bibia ohun biano try to be extremely careful isi ano yes ngofo friend say na me din kan e kan ya me kan e wo me podcast mu say e ya nkrofo friend me e tre me say wo mo kra wo mu so be bagana because and now better ISC and now better ISC wo mo nti ase mimim akoye say nipa bonefo abedoso e wo Ghana crowd do but Montreal Madrid our comment box ni mo so these are the two stories it's for Montreal Madrid that's it.